Hello friends. Most of us have been given the subject of teaching e-business, e-commerce, digital and social media marketing. And most of us have been teaching it very theoretically. And it becomes one of the boring subjects, teaching e-business and e-commerce from books only. So 3 years back, same was the case with me. So I started exploring YouTube and various other online courses. I learned a lot of things practically, but I could not find the opportunity to implement it practically. So I requested one of my friend who is a manufacturer of perfumes, and we agreed upon that I'll create website and digital marketing strategy for him. And that is how it all started in December 2018. So I created a store and the website by name of mynexent.com, and the store was created on Shopify, one of the #1 e-commerce platform. So we'll learn how to do it effectively and within no time. Then for bringing traffic, I created Facebook and Instagram business account, and then I started investing money on Facebook and Instagram ads on his behalf. Now the condition was, as far as I'll be able to bring in good returns, I'll continue. And fortunately, I'm continuing till this time. And in return, I get a lot of learning, which I take to the classroom. And today also, I'm bringing it to the workshop for my faculty community as well as for the research scholars. Over a period of time, I learned that how to create a SEO optimized article in no time. Then I moved on and I was fascinated by affiliate marketing, and then I tried to understand what is Amazon affiliate marketing and how can you do that. Once you are doing online business, you cannot forget about the importance of reminder emails, SMS, and these days WhatsApp. So we'll learn some basics of that also. And over a period of time, I have learned many things about shipping and logistics, how to do it online. So I'll touch upon those aspects also, and how to connect your website with payment gateway. So it will be all practical things, exercises which you will learn. It will not only help you in improving your teaching skills, but also consulting skills, and maybe some of you may become entrepreneur after attending this workshop. Thank you and best of luck for the workshop.